Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Mscoree.dll error not found on Windows 11. And now let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft C++ Redistributable. Alternatively, you can find a direct link to the official Microsoft C++ Redistributable page in the description section of this video. Navigate to that page and scroll down until you find the x64 version. Click on it to download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You will then see an option to repair the installation. Click on Repair. This process will begin installing or repairing all the necessary DLL files that might be missing or corrupted on your system. If you do not have these files installed at all, you will be given the option to install them. In addition to the C++ redistributable fix, we will also run a system file checker scan. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, sfc:/scan now. Then, press Enter to begin the System File Checker scan. This scan will check for and attempt to repair any corrupted system files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.